Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we're going to learn 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation, Part 10. These phrases will help you navigate daily life in Japan even better. Let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Hajimemashou! Shitani, below or under. For example, Tsukoi no shita ni neko ga imasu. There's a cat under the desk. Used to describe location. Naka ni, inside. For example, Hako no naka ni nani ga arimasu ka? What's inside the box? Used to describe something inside another object. Soto ni, outside. For example, Soto ni demashou. Let's go outside. Used to describe something outside. Issu ni, together. For example, Issu ni ikimashou. Let's go together. Used to suggest doing something with someone. Hitori de, alone or by oneself. For example, Hitori de ikimasu. I'll go alone. Used to indicate doing something alone. Mada, still or not yet. For example, Mada owati imasen. It's not finished yet. Used to indicate continuation or incompletion. Mu, already. For example, Mu tabimashita ka? Have you already eaten? Used to indicate something has already happened. Sugoi, amazing or great. For example, Sugoi desu ne. That's amazing. Used to express admiration or amazement. Kiyotsukete, be careful. For example, Michi ga subiri yasui no de kiyotsukete. Be careful, the road is slippery. Used to advise someone to be cautious. Otsukare-sama, thank you for your hard work. For example, Kyou mo otsukare-sama deshita. Thank you for your hard work today. It is used to acknowledge someone's effort. Ohisashiburi desu. Long time no see. For example, Ohisashiburi desu. Genki deshita ka? Long time no see. How have you been? Used to greet someone you haven't seen in a while. Hajimemashite. Nice to meet you. For example, Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Tanaka desu. Nice to meet you. I'm Tanaka. Used when meeting someone for the first time. Dozo. Please go ahead. For example, Dozo ohairi kudasai. Please come in. Used to invite someone to do something. Omatase shimashita. Sorry to keep you waiting. For example, Omatase shimashita. Kore ga chūmon no shina desu. Sorry to keep you waiting. Here is your order. Used to apologize for making someone wait. Gomen kudasai. Excuse me when entering someone's home. For example, Gomen kudasai. Tanaka desu. Excuse me, this is Tanaka. Used when entering someone's home or room. Odaiji ni. Get well soon. For example, Odaiji ni shitte kudasai. Please take care of yourself. Used to wish someone quick recovery from illness. Irashaimase. Welcome to a store. For example, Irashaimase. Nani o osagashi desu ka? Welcome. What are you looking for? Used by staff to greet customers entering a store. Ojama shimasu. Excuse me for disturbing. Used when entering someone's home. For example, Ojama shimasu. Excuse me for disturbing. used to politely enter someone's home. Osewa ni narimasu. Thank you for your support. For example, kore kara osewa ni narimasu. Thank you for your support from now on. Used to express gratitude for someone's help or support. Gambate, do your best or good luck. For example, shikken gambate kodasai. Good luck with your exam. It is used to encourage someone to do their best. Great job, everyone! And today, we covered 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!